Minasan, welcome to Florence Academy. Today we will learn the second grammar lesson. Always remember every new word and grammar rule you learn takes you one step closer to mastering Japanese. Let's learn together. Thank you, Shimasho. So this, so ja arimasen. Usually used to answer yes or no politely. Okay. If it is yes means you say so this. If it is no means so ja arimasen. Let's see the example. Basic conversation between A and B. Sore wa jisho desu ka. This is dictionary. Okay. A is asking a question. Sore means that. Is that a dictionary? Soreva Jisho Deska? Be answering yes, it is Abhi. Hi. So this. Yes, it is dictionary. Okay. Soreva Jisho Deska? Hi. So this. Soreva Denva Deska? Is that a telephone? No, it's dictionary, right? So we answer no. How can we say no politely? Yeah. So ja arimasen. Basically, yes or no will be answered by hi and yeah. How can we say it is and it is not? So this and so ja arimasen. Hope you understood. Kono, sono, ano will be used to represent a noun, person's thing. Okay? Kono means this, near me. Sono means that, near you. Ano means also that, far away from both. Let's see the example. Kono hon wa omoshiroi desu. Kono hon means book. Kono hon means this book. Omoshiroi is the adjective, adjective, which means interesting. Omoshiroi, interesting. Okay? Kono hon wa omoshiroi desu. This book is interesting. Let's see the second example. Sono toke wa ikura desu ka? Toke means watch. Ikura means how much. You are asking a question. Sono toke wa ikura desu ka? How much is that watch? Sono. That's why we use that watch. Sono toke wa. That watch. Ikura desu ka? How much? Let's move on to the third example. Ano hito wa dare desu ka? Dare means who. Hito means person. Ano, that a person who is far away from both of us. Ano hito wa dare desu ka? Who is that person? Hope you understood well. Let's move on. Sentence 1, ka particle. Sentence 2, ka particle. Basically, used to asking two options. Choose any one of them. At the time, we use ka particle at the end of two sentences. Let's see the example. Kore wa kyu desu ka? Kyu means 9. Okay? Or nana desu ka? Nana means 7. Okay? This is 9, right? How can we say this is 9 in Japanese? Kyu desu. You are asking a question, this or this. At the time, we use ka at the end of each sentences. Okay? Let's see the second example. Kore wa enpitsu desu ka? Pen desu ka? Enpitsu means pencil. This is pen, right? The picture shows pen. How can we say this is pen? Pen this. That's it. How can we ask? Kore. Koreva yen pitsu desu ka? Pen desu ka? Is this a pencil or pen? This is pen, right? Pen desu. Okay? Hope you understood. Kore, zore, are. These are all used to represent things. Kore means this. A things near me. I say kore. If it is near you means are. That is that. Are means also that, the thing far away from both of us. Let's see the example for better understanding. Koreva pen des. Koreva pen des. Here the pen is used or written in katakana because the pen is always pen. Okay. Kore means this. This is a pen. If the pen is near me, how can I say in Japanese? Kore wa pen desu. Okay. This is a pen. If it is behind you, how can I say in Japanese? Sore wa pen desu. That is a pen. If it is far away from both of us means are wa pen desu. That is a pen. In a table. A pen in a table. Okay. Sore wa kaban desu ka? Kaban means bag. Okay. Sore means that. You are asking a question. Desu ka? Is that a bag? I'm asking a question. A bag with you. I'm asking a question to you. Is that a bag? So how can I say in Japanese? Sore wa kaban desu ka? Let's move on to the third example. Are wa yama desu. Yama means mountain. Okay. Are means that which is far away from both of us. You and me. Okay. How can we say are wa yama desu? If we both watching a scenario or something, here we see a mountain. How can we say are wa yama desu? Okay. Hope you understood. As we already learned about the no particle in lesson 1, the same will be used to express a possession, act as a modifier, or explains the relation or ownership. Let's see the example. Koreva computer no hon desu. This is a computer book. Computer no hon. Computer book. Okay. Kore means this, used to represent thing, right? Kore wa computer no hon desu. This is a computer book. Are wa watashi no kaban desu. Are means, sorry, that is kore. Kore means this. Watashi no kaban. My bag. Watashi no kaban. Watashi no kaban desu. This is my bag. Are wa Santo-san no kaban desu. Are means that. Santo-san no kaban. Santo's bag. Okay. Are wa Santo-san no kaban desu. That is Mrs. Santo's bag. Okay. Hope you understood. So desu ka? Usually used when receiving a new information. Or representing I see or oh really. Okay, let's see the example. Kore wa Mira-san no kasa desu. This is Mira-san, okay, just for fun. This is Mr. Mira's umbrella. Okay. If you are just say okay or hi, Yes means so desu ka. I see. The B1 is replying, I see. So desu ka. Okay. Let's see the second example. Areva IMC no beer desu. Basically, if you use this dash in between beer means drinks. If it is not there means representing a building. Okay. Beer means building. Okay. IMC no building. IMC is building. Areva IMC no building desu ka? I'm asking a question to you. Areva IMC no beer desu ka? If you are saying yes means how can you say it in politely? Try to answer. So this. Very good. Her, the B1 is asking, oh really? How can we say? So desu ka? Okay. So desu ka? Oh really? Okay. It is most of the Japanese people speak with good expressions. Try to learn Japanese with your emotions and with some expression. It makes you learn the Japanese grammar more easy and in an interactive way. So in today's lesson, we learn how to use kore, sore, are, kono, sono, ano, and so desu ka. Try making your own examples and practice daily because consistency is the key to success. Arigato gozaimasu. Ja mata ne.